Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with using Speedify. Speedify, found at speedify.com, is a service I've been exploring, and I wanted to share my thoughts on it. It's designed to combine multiple internet connections, think Wi-Fi and cellular data, to create a faster, more reliable, and secure online experience. The idea is that by bonding your connections, you can get increased bandwidth for activities like streaming, gaming, or video conferencing, even if one of your connections is weak or drops out completely. One of the key features Speedify touts is its channel bonding technology. It intelligently distributes your internet traffic across your available connections, optimizing for speed and stability. This, theoretically, means smoother video streams, fewer interruptions during online games, and more reliable video calls. They also emphasize the security aspect, using encryption to protect your data as it travels across the internet. This is especially useful when using public Wi-Fi hotspots, where your information could be vulnerable. In my own testing, I found Speedify to be fairly user-friendly. The application is relatively simple to set up and use, and it automatically detects and connects to available internet connections. I did notice a difference in speed, particularly when uploading files, and the connection did seem more stable overall. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness of Speedify depends on the quality of your individual internet connections. If both your Wi-Fi and cellular data are slow, Speedify can't magically create a high-speed connection. It can, however, make the most of what you have. Another aspect to consider is the cost. Speedify offers different subscription plans, so you'll need to weigh the benefits against the price to see if it's right for your needs. It's worth exploring their free tier to get a feel for the service before committing to a paid subscription. They often have promotional offers as well, so keep an eye out for those. Overall, Speedify presents a compelling solution for those seeking a more robust and reliable internet connection, especially for bandwidth-intensive activities. While it's not a miracle worker, it can definitely enhance your online experience by intelligently leveraging your existing connections. I'd recommend checking out their website at speedify.com and seeing if it's something that could benefit you. Remember, all the links are in the description below.